Alright, so these are the photos of when the bike arrived, for anyone who's interested in basically what to expect getting a motorcycle in a box. So this is the Tau Motor TBR7. Mr. Tau, I call it Mr. Tau. And basically, the calculation for me was 4 business days. It's drop shipped out of Texas. So R&L brought it up to, it was shipped to my job in Toms River, New Jersey. So it took 4 business days, which is pretty impressive. But, of course, they don't deliver on Saturday or Sunday. So it shipped out, let's see, it was the 16th. It was picked up on the 16th, and it was delivered on so it was 16, 17, 18, and then 19, 20 was the weekend, and then, so it delivered on the 21st at 11:30 in the morning. And it's pretty cool, because R&L they'll give you tracking info, and you can see where it's going to each terminal and then being picked up, and then the morning it left the local terminal here, it said I was delivery number 4. So I was kind of like, and if it left at 6:30, I'm like, well, how long does it take for them to do each delivery? If one guy's cruising around. So that was right on point. Really cool guy, and they have a lift gate. So, but I'm just happy it came to my work, and they didn't just drop it off, in my little suburban street, bringing that huge truck through here, and then he's got to unload it and just drop it in my driveway. So I'm glad I made it easy for him. It is going to come on a truck. Just recognize that if you can get it delivered somewhere that's just easy for a truck, you're just going to they're going to appreciate it. So yeah, he wheeled it in. He just wheeled it right into the shop for us, and so we comes on that pallet. It's strapped to that pallet, so it's really not going to tip over or anything. You don't have to worry too much about that. And here it is, basically with the top off the box. And let me do some zooming in. You can see it's, you got some zip ties on there. It comes with bubble wrap. And the cool thing about this was I really didn't have to do anything. My friends were all involved, and this guy I work with, he used to PDI brand new motorcycles, so he knew how to put this together with his eyes closed. But just to get some ideas here, the front tire is on the side. I'm going to put that on. And the handlebars, it looks like they're kind of jammed underneath the rear tire. I don't even know where they were, to be honest. It's missing that front mud guard, obviously, that's on the rear tire there. Keys are in the ignition, which is smart. Might as well, right? Don't want to lose those. Can't do any of the keys that are lost. And there was a box strapped to the side, which you can't see it in this photo, but there's a spacer in there for the brakes, and it's using the one axle beam there, axle bolt. So let's see what else we got. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we were just looking at this. I'm like, this looks like a real motorcycle. And it really is. It really is.
Empties into here. We'll pull that off and let it sit for I'd say about an hour or 2. Let the acid get in there good.
Right. So yeah, so my friend was taking control there, and we trickle charged the battery, and I think it's great. It even comes with a battery. What more do you want? It's got keys, it's got a battery. Put it together. And these are just some more photos. Not a whole lot going on. Let's see. Yeah, this is a good one. That's a nice shot. So Some of my other videos, I mean, I literally took this bike apart again just to quality control everything. Because, you know, you're always hearing blah, 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 all the bolts are loose, blah, blah, blah. No bolts were loose. It's just, you know, it's put together in a rush, you know, so you want to, like, I realigned the exhaust and I was just checking things. And I'm going to continue to just, I want this bike to last, you know, so I want to just, if you can get it in spec the way it was engineered to be, you know, I think it's going to last. They just don't have time on the assembly line to do a whole lot. And, like, we were kind of rushing this night because, you know, my wife's like, where are you? Like, blah, blah, blah. I've got, you know, art class tonight. You were supposed to be here on, you know, and I was, hello, my motorcycle just came into work, you know, so we were just whipping it together, basically, which is super cool. I wanted to buy these guys pizza and make a night of it, but it's for the best, whatever. Nice thing about having a lift, you know, or something to jack it up with, we were able to just basically lift it and pull the frame out from underneath on that box. You know, just take your time with this. This is not something that's going to happen. You know, I know you want to just, like, get it and take it for a ride and start it and all these other things, but if you take your time to put it together right, you know, it might even take you a day. You know, you got to change the oil. It does say in the manual it comes with shipping oil, so change the friggin' oil, man. And so yeah, we were just lucky to have the handlebars on and the front tire, and what else? We put it on the alignment rack, drove it right into the back of the pickup truck, and strapped it down, and the rest is history. All right, I hope your bike in a box is as much fun as mine has been. Good luck, stay safe.